Look at this table. Hello guys, Donna Lisa with Zuda Info here. We are at Sheffield Antique Mall in Memphis. Over there. What is this? Hermes and Prada. I was here, I have some footage, but just couldn't put it together. I like that for $98. I don't like the pattern. No, that's not $98. No, that's not $98. But I do like that. See, that's too tall for our project and what we're doing. Those are cute. Very cute. You know, and we are vintage shoppers, not antique shoppers. Which some antique pieces are nice, but I like to use the items. Oh, this would be cute for the, I don't know if this will hold up outside. Look at that. I got those shuttles here for the door, for the window. This is wall. Those are wall hangers, $2.25. And see if you could put these outside. This would be absolutely amazing. But it would rot. This would rot outside. I don't know if you could put some weathery stuff on it to keep it from rotting. But I got these amazing these amazing windows. And maybe I'll run across it here because I got it from here. Now look at this for $49. I don't know what. Oh, that's nice if we had two pieces to that. That would be cute. Okay. I'm not a clock person. This antique mall is so huge. Let me get away from the music because we don't want issues with that. That's unique. I like this painting. Let me get away from the music. It's all over the store. We don't want any issues with it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. See, like this piece. I would sand that down and repaint. I don't know. But this is $189. So, you know what? I don't know if this is considered a high boy, but I got a piece. This is $395. I don't like blue, but that's nice. I don't know. I don't know what color we would paint that. Now, I like this mirror. This is unique. And that is $78. But oh, I really like this mirror. Oh wow. I may be coming back looking for this mirror. If it's still here, and it's 1800s, I may get this mirror. This would be unique. This is $48.95. That would be unique in a restroom. Mirror for the restroom. That would be unique. It would be very unique. All these dishes and whatnot. I don't know. That's a nice trunk. I don't know if that's a trunk or maybe like an ice box or something. I'm kind of lost like as to where I'm going. You know what? You know, you can't say what's good for one person. It's not good for everyone else, but I'm not a. I went to an antique mall last week with a lot of Christmas stuff. And it was like, oh my goodness, get over the Christmas stuff already. It was a lot of Christmas stuff. This is a nice, unique little cabinet. Let me see what we're getting. Okay. Okay. There's a shop in here with rugs. Ma'am, you all close at 7, right?
You what?
You close at 7, is that correct?
7, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, sit easy. Look at these rugs. Some of this furniture you have to watch to make sure it doesn't go to looking goggy. These rugs, pretty nice. Yeah, you see these rugs? I thought this dealer had a lot of Turkish rugs and Persian rugs. I like this
Yeah, because that one I just saw expire, so I figured it was already.
long hallway runner.
We're putting them out tonight for this sale. We're in the sign room. Already in here? Okay, got it.
This stuff over here, it looks kind of gaudy to me. And I've got a lot of black in my that I've purchased. Black is my favorite shade, my favorite color. You got to be careful with black. I'm gonna do a video and show you all a haul also. Let me stop it here and we'll pick up at part two.